Uneek family, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be unboxing LYRD's new collection. If you're not familiar with our channel, my name is Patrice, and around here at Uneek Avon, we love doing unboxings, reviews, first impressions, and tons more. Today we'll be unboxing this beautiful LYRD's Rose Du Soleil collection introduced to Avon just exclusively for February. So around February, we see a lot of beautiful things being unveiled here at Avon, and one of the beautiful things we love to do is fragrance, and I am so excited to bring this beautiful fragrance to you. This is the LYRD's Rose Du Soleil. This is the Eau De Parfum, and now remember beauties, I already told you the difference between an Eau De Parfum, Eau de Toilette, and a cologne. And if you are not experienced that, please make sure to check out the video in the iCard above, where I explain in campaign 5 all the different aspects of how to tell the difference. Well, today we will be unveiling and unboxing this beautiful fragrance. I'm also going to share with you how I feel about it, what my thoughts are, and I'm also going to show you our newest sample for the sample club for the month of February. So let's get started. So this beautiful fragrance was introduced in campaign 5. This is the LYRD's Rose Du Soleil. I love the packaging on this box. It is so beautiful. It has little beautiful roses on it, if you cannot see, and also the beautiful gold and matte inlay. This box is so sleek, so beautiful. On the back it says, captivating the warmth of the sun, Rose Du Soleil is a radiant scent composed with sun ripened raspberries, enchanted rose, and spicy patchouli. And now let's open this beautiful box. As you know, this box always comes with a little flap for your protection. Don't forget that. And look how beautiful this beauty is. Oh my gracious, leave you close up there. Look how gorgeous. And I love the back, how it's this black matte flash with the beautiful gold, and it just says LYRD's on it, but around the other side you see the beautiful flowers that are just echoed from the box. I think that is so beautiful. A black sleek top, easy to remove. I love the gold topper on it. It's easy to pump and spray. Oh, I love it. Oh, I love this. This is, of course, glass. So we're going to place this beauty back into the box, and I'm going to experience the smell of our newest fragrance for the month. For our sample club, we are going to be sampling the LYRD's, and it is a beautiful, beautiful thing. See, there it is. There's the box. There's how the perfume would look. Of course, there's my tag. I would have shown you how to do that. Video I will put up in the iCard above. There's the sample, and there's the information about it. So I'm going to pop up this beautiful fragrance, and I'm going to give it a smell. This is my first time smelling. I love doing first impressions on the fragrances as soon as I get them, so you will see an honest, no chaser review of the products while we're unboxing. Ooh, that does not smell like roses. Wow. Ooh, that is gorgeous. She is nice and she is light. Oh, wow. She is nice and light. Very airy, not as rosy as I thought. And I'm a very rosy kind of smelling person when it comes to perfumes. Oh, but that is beautiful. I mean, you can really smell a little bit of the roses, but you don't smell a lot of roses. It's not like overpowering like roses. It's not like that at all. And I like that it's not overpowering. Even though I love the smell of roses, Susan might not like smell of roses, or Jessica might not like smell of roses, but I am loving the smell in this. I smell more of a, oh my God, that's hard to pick up, but it's one of those fragrances like, wow, what is that? And I love fragrances like that. I love a fragrance that, yeah, it's just like, it's like, what is that smell? And it's so beautiful. It's so fresh and it's so light smelling. So let me give you a little bit more information about it. This beautiful thing is layered, and it is infused with a master perfume and multifaceted ingredients that come together, inspired by beauty found in everyday life. It's composed of warm, sun-ripened notes of raspberry and the enchanted smell of roses and sweet patchouli. I love that. These notes are the sun-ripened raspberries enriched with sweet patchouli. This is a fragrance category of fresh and vibrant, which is a floral scent. That's what it is. It's a light floral scent inviting lush and luxurious notes. Of course, you spray on your pulses, and this beautiful fragrance right here is a 1.7 fluid ounce. So it is a beautiful, beautiful accessory to have. And look how beautiful it is. You can just sit it on your dresser along with the other layers collections and other beauties that go with this collection. It'll be a beautiful statement piece just to put on your dresser alone. But if you're a fresh and vibrant young lady or lady, this will be a beautiful scent story to have in your collection. I love how each different fragrance from Avon has a different category where it goes. You can get light and vibrant, you can get wild and free, you can get all of it just from Avon. Again, don't forget to layer it on your pressure points behind your ear, your décolletage, and also your pressure points on your arms. And I love spraying it behind my knees and in my hair. That way when I walk past somebody, they can still smell the fragrance that I place on it. Remember, an Eau De Parfum is beautiful when it's layered. I love layering different scents on with each other, especially in the same scent story. The scent story here, of course, is going to be fresh and vibrant. So also look for other fresh and vibrant fragrances to enhance the smell of that perfume. I will get in depth in that really, really soon. I will actually do a video on the different ways that you can layer your scent preference, and I would love to do that for you. I've actually had a lot of requests to do what a scent profile is, and I will be able to share that with you in a little while. Actually, I'm still working on it and editing it and everything for you, so it should be out really, really soon. So I am enjoying this beautiful new scent from Layers. I hope you do give it a try. If you're part of our sample club, remember our sample club is each month. In this sample club, you will receive your sample of LYRD ROSE DU SOLEIL. You'll also receive a catalog, bonus book, and tons more. Our wonderful sample club is held every month. Remember, it is a US only sample club, but I'm also excited about bringing new fragrances to you. And if you do not have an Avon lady, I would love to be your Avon rep. My information is always linked down in the description box below, and there you will find a link to my e-store where you can purchase your very own Rose du Soleil perfume, also with the other scents like the Studio 1886 and the classics like Timeless, Candid Odyssey, and Sweet Honesty. I love doing the unboxings for the Avon fragrance, and I also love just unboxing. So if you would like to see more unboxings from Avon or any other place like that, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and please don't forget to turn on that notification bell. I love sharing everything Avon, everything just unique. And I hope that you do too. We hope that you enjoyed this very special unboxing of Layers Rose du Soleil, and also the scent preview of the scent. Don't forget those sample club samples are coming at you really soon. Our slots do fill up fast, and we are very thankful for everyone who has taken part of our sample club. So if you want to get in the sample club for March, just let me know down in the description box below, or just email me. My email is always down in the description box below as well. So which is your favorite Layers fragrance? Do you like the rose? Have you smelled the Rose du Soleil? Let me know down in the comment section down below. So that is all the time that we have for today. I am so excited for showing you this beautiful fragrance from Layers. This beautiful fragrance is just, this is beautiful, and it's one of those scents you can't really put your finger on, but you just gotta smell it. You just gotta smell it. So thanks for joining me today. Thanks for spending a little bit of time with me today here on Uneek Avon. From our family to yours, we wish you a great day. God bless, and we'll catch you on the flip side.